Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a teacher's website on Wix. With Wix, you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com and from there you can create an account with your email address. After creating your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Setup Without Chat, you can type in teacher on the search bar right here. After doing that, you'll see numerous options, whether you'd like to create a teacher blog, a teacher vlog website, or an online course, or music teacher portfolio. There are numerous sub-niches you can choose from. But we are just going to select teacher and tap on continue. After doing that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can give your website a name. So I'm just going to call it teacher. So let's do that. Then we'll tap on continue. From here, you can add different apps. So you have the portfolio app, which will allow you to display your previous work. If it is a case that you plan on selling online, you could select online store. You can also scroll down and, for example, let's say you would like to offer tutoring or so on. You could do that by selecting booking, which will allow persons to book your service. You can also scroll down and from there, if you would like to sell online courses, you could select online program and you'll be able to do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. Then select continue once more and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Now, once on your dashboard, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option. Now, let's say, for example, you would like to display your previous work. You could select portfolio. Then from there, you could select a category and you could display your previous work. And another thing that you could also do if you would like to sell online courses, you can select online program from the left-hand menu option. Then tap on get started. Then from there, you could select online course, tap on next, and you could create an online course that you can sell. So if that is what you want to do, you can do that using Wix. After doing that, you could tap on catalog. So if it is tutoring you'd like to offer, you will tap on catalog right here. After tapping on catalog, you can tap on start from scratch and you can choose from any one of the services that you see right there. What I normally do in the top right hand corner where you see services for, I'll clear that and I'm just going to type in teacher. And we'll see different services that it will suggest. And you can select any one of the suggested services. So for example, private tutoring, I could select that service. You could change the cover image if you want. Scrolling down, you can edit the duration. And you can also set the price that you would charge. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And you can continue adding different services. Now to set up how you are going to get paid. To do this, you'll tap on Getting Paid in the top left-hand corner. Then select Connect Payment Method. And depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different options. Because I'm located in Jamaica, I'll only be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my website location to, for example, Canada, you'll realize that I can now offer more payment options to my customers. I can accept payment via Wix. I can also accept payment by tapping on See More Payment option. I can accept payment with Square, Afterpay, Alipay, Klarna, and so much more. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. And keep in mind, if you were to add any of these payment methods, otherwise on PayPal, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan. Now, after setting that up, you're going to tap on Home in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right-hand corner. And you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Once you have selected Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. On the Themes page, we can tap on the search bar right here. And you could type in teacher, for example, or you could select online tutor. And you'll see numerous options. Now let's say, for example, this is the one that I would like to use. So I'm going to tap on Edit. And the first thing you're going to see is a pop-up box. If you want, you could use the Wix AI to compose content for you. By tapping in the box, you could type information, then tap on generate site text and it would generate information. But normally I would just close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner and start editing my website. To get started, you can hover over the header section and we could change the name right there by tapping on it and selecting edit text, and we could type in, for example, my name right here. And just like that, that's how easy it is to edit your Wix website. Scrolling down, we could tap on this text section again, tap on edit text, and I could change the name again by highlighting the text that I would like to remove, just like that. And you can edit each section. If you would like to change the background image, you can select the current background image, tap on change background, then go over to the right hand column, tap on image, and from there you could select upload media and you could upload an image, or you could choose a copyright free image from Wix. By selecting media from Wix, then I could type in, for example, tutor, and I could copy or use, better yet, one of their copyright free images. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this image, then I'll tap on change background. You'll realize that the background image has now changed, and by scrolling down it is as easy as that to edit. If we would like to change the image that is currently here, we can tap on the image, tap on quick edit, then go over to the right hand column. You could edit the paragraph and you can also change the image. It's just as easy as that. When it comes on to Wix, they provide you with the layout, making it easy to create a professional looking website even as a complete beginner. So we could tap on change, then I could select media from Wix, and I'm going to select tutor once more. And let's say, for example, I were to change the image to this one, then tap on choose image. You'll realize that the image has changed once more. And you can tap on the different sections and edit it just like that. To view all the pages on your website, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different pages right there. So you can select the pages and edit them just like that. After editing the pages, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on preview, you can see how your website looks. So you can see how it looks right there. And for example, someone could select online sessions and they could select the program that they like to use. Then after doing that, they'll be able to see the price and they can join and so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button